Hey, Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas Eve. And well, I guess you're not watching this on Merry Christmas, not everybody. So, I guess just hi. I'm a little bit of a ditz. My camera's focusing on something behind me. I'm thinking I don't know. Anyway, I got something in the mail. I was just in here cleaning my office and the mail delivery came and I was like, okay, well I guess I'm going to do a video. So this is a box from Cut the Crap and the box is called Lips and Lather. And it's a subscription box. It's like a self-care subscription box. And I love getting it. So let's see what this month's theme is. This is the box that always sends me the cute soaps and stuff. So see what we got. Something's trying to roll out of the box. So shortbread cookie hand wash. So I guess it's like a hand foam because it's got the foaming thing. Rah! Open it up. Open it up, Mara. I love the smell of cookie. I got my husband a shortbread cookie beard oil that I just gave him. He's, I guess, living out his Viking fantasy. He's got the whole beard thing and he's even got the little hair tie. Yum. That smells good. Yay! So yeah, it's got the little cookie. Looks like a little hot cocoa with a Christmas tree. It's a nice sized bottle. Alright, what else we got in here? So that was that one. And the lip balm that we got is chocolate chip cookie. And I had a lip oil. Oh gosh. I've been on the phone. Put that in my purse. It smells good. She's good. She has really good products. I think this box is $36 a month. I'll put it in the details. And this one is, what does that word say? Almond cookie body butter. Oh boy, you can smell, look how full it is. I was trying to tell you, look how full that is. Ooh, and it is soft. I'm going to put this on my hands and then attempt to open the next bottle and you guys can all laugh at me. It takes brains to run this operation up here. Last night I went to the casino with my mom and I went to the noodle bar and had the soup and then gambled and this is body serum. No. Is it serum or is it scrub? It looks like it says S-E-R-U. We shall see. And it's scrub. You can see all the little scrubbies in there. And I will use this. I'll just have to take it into the shower with me since I have interstitial cystitis and can't do baths. Oh, that smells so good. That is going to smell delicious. I love getting this. I love my skin. I love loving my skin. I try to take good care of my skin. Yeah, and body butter. Feels good. Oh, the soap. It's the soap of the month. My first soap that I started with was the chocolate cookie. The chocolate was like a Black Forest cake. Oh, it's so good. I was like hooked. Very first bar of soap I was hooked. And the chocolate mousse was the lip balm. And it was delicious because you can buy just the soap and lip balm. You don't have to get a whole box. Is that not beautiful? Must be peppermint. Yeah, peppermint sugar cookie. And you can smell that peppermint. And I was just decluttering some stuff. Yes, here it is. And I found my little soap bag. So you take the bar of soap and you put the bar of soap in the soap bag. And then you get your shower and you hang it up to dry. And then as this becomes smaller and you add another bar of soap in, you're not wasting anything because you're not wasting any soap this way. And your soap stay nice and clean. So very smart lady, very smart lady. Good business. I love Lips and Lather. Here's the December Lips and Lather, as if you needed a reason to celebrate and enjoy delicious cookies. December gives it to us not once, but twice. Yes, 2 cookie-themed holidays, National Cookie Day on December 4th and National Cookie Exchange Day on December 22nd. I didn't know that. So, peppermint sugar cookie soap smells deliciously of butter, cookies, and sweet peppermint. Chocolate chip lip balm is a nod to America's favorite cookie. It's buttery, caramelized sugar, and chocolate notes. It may be the best lip balm we have ever made. No, that first chocolate one was my favorite. Okay, I don't want to... Oh, this last thing is the hand wash. No, I mean, I didn't want to spoil. Gingerbread cookie hand wash will clean your hands with big fluffy bubbles and leave the lingering scent of gingerbread to clear your day. Almond cookie body butter is a decadent moisturizing cream that smells like butter, vanilla, and almond extract. And Snickerdoodle body scrub. What's this one? A Snickerdoodle body scrub. Will smooth and polish with walnut shell powder, leaving your skin silky smooth. And then I'm going to stop because I like to look and see what's in my box. So what else do we get? Oh, it looks like one of those thumbprint cookies. Thumbprint cookie bath bomb. I can't take baths, so I pass this kind of stuff along to share. But whoever I make next to start getting things, share or my niece, I'll be sure to pass that one along. And our last thing in our box is coconut macaron. And what is that word? Is it hand cleansing? The font is like real decorative on this box, I guess for Christmas. And it's hard for me to read. So I was just cleaning. So what did I do with them? Let's see what it says. Facial cleansing powder. And it's got clay. So that's not for me. I believe that's drying. Isn't that the cutest? I'll have to read for sure, but I believe that the clay will need to go to somebody who's got combination or oily skin. So this I can pass along to my niece when I give her the body balm. Okay. And then her card, Lips and Lather from Cut the Crap. That means keeps the good stuff, cuts the bad stuff, cut the crap out of it. Alright, thanks Mella. Happy holidays, Chris says. She's so nice. She always gives me a note. Gosh, this box even smells good. Isn't that funny? So the final thing on here, it says, is the facial cleansing powder is gentle cleansing without over drying. And then it has the ingredients, and the last thing is the thumbprint cookie bath bomb is scented with vanilla and raspberry jam. This box is designed to indulge in scrumptious cookies all month long. It's very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Very yummy. Okay, we've got something else too that came, and I'm excited to unpack it. I got this in my Trim Mood box. It was a mascara. I just blew on by it because it was on by Essence. I was telling you guys about it. But it's got a lot of weight. It's got a lot of weight to it. So I'm betting it's a good mascara. Okay, let's see. I got from Beaute. I have got a palette. That's pretty paper. I think that I have another palette from Beaute. I think it came in one of my subscription boxes during Valentine's. So it's got the mauve and rosy. And I seen that they had a sale on. I guess they're rebranding or changing their formulas or something. I don't know what they're doing. So I thought, ooh, this is pretty. And I think it was $13. Ace Beaute Paradise Fallen. It's really pretty. I mean, it's decorated. Hi. And then kind of, it's Christmas Eve here, and I lost my dad last year and at Christmas, and so I'm a little, not talkative, not my goofy self. Okay, let's see what the palette looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. These are shiny, and the rest of it's matte. And ooh, these colors are very pretty. There's a mirror in here, so I'll cover that up for you. And I like this, probably this, but not so much the brown. Probably, maybe not either one of the two on the ends. It says it's wine. They don't look like no wine I drink. And it says it's Christmas. I don't know, T-I-R cypress tree. That's what this one is. So let's swatch them. No, it's pretty much a true brown. I might be able to use this one. But whoa, check out these purples. These are the two grays. It's got a lot of, I'll use that as my transition shade. It's pretty. And then we got our shimmers. Our silver shimmer. This one's called Orion. They're pretty. And then this purple has got blue, soft. It's got blue sparkle, like glitter in it. It's very pretty. And this purple is called Night Sky, and it's a shimmer without the sparkly glitters. These are definitely two different colors. They look very similar in the pan, but not on. You can tell that this one's got more of the pinky base with the blue sparkles. It's pretty. This one, woo, it's pigmented. I thought it was gonna be black. It's called Shadow, but it's purple. Just gonna blend that down a little bit so that you can see that it's purple. And this one is very purple. Their mats are so nice. I hope they're not going away. I don't know what they're doing. This one is called Dusk, the pink. Continue down my arm with it. Some magenta-like shade. It's pretty. Looks like my lipstick color I usually wear. And this one says blackout, so I bet it's going to be black. What do you guys think? You guys think Melly are crazy? I'll put it right over the top. Whoa, that is so pigmented black. So yeah, that's a nice palette to have. I like that. And I hated traveling with my expensive palettes. Last time I went, I took my Cosmic Beauty Winter Wonderland, and I was just afraid that it wouldn't make it back in the same condition I took it, and it did. I was very glad. But yeah, so that's my Christmas present. Just what I wanted, right? Since I got them for myself. But yeah, I like my sugar cookie set. I'm not going to be able to use the bath bomb or that face wash, I don't believe. But the rest of this I am definitely going to enjoy. I'm going to put this back in the same way it came out. And yes, I do keep my palette boxes. I was in here doing a little bit of cleaning and decluttering, and I wanted a plastic box to put my lipsticks in with the lid, and so I wanted one box that was this long, this wide, and just to put each layer in, just one layer. And I ended up getting, it was the wrong size. So I've got one box empty. So I was sitting here going through my stuff, getting everything nice and organized. And I had some, just a couple little pieces of makeup that I decluttered. This this is the oldest makeup that I've actually owned. Cover the mirror. It was a pomade to do my eyebrows, and I got rid of everything. I don't even know who this was. L'Oreal. I got rid of all my makeup, and I don't know how this one ended up surviving, but I said I'm throwing everything away, and I'm gonna buy all new. And so I don't know how I ended up saving that one. I don't know. And trying to decide what I want to do with this. It doesn't really fit in any of these boxes. I don't want to touch it with my finger. I don't know what I want to do with it right now at this moment. So until I decide what I want to do with it, I don't want to get it nasty. I hope you guys that are watching me tonight and that celebrate are having a Merry Christmas Eve, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas tomorrow. Happy holidays. And if you're not, then I hope that you have a good day, and thank you for spending it with me. I got me a sugar cookie from Starbucks that I'm finishing off, so that's my treat for tonight. I love ya. Mwah. Bye, guys.